Staying out of jail is like avoiding foul trouble. Blacks are 5 times more likely to end up in jail. 42% of incarcerated youth are black, while only making up 15% of the population. 30% of white wealth is in stocks, while only 4% of black wealth is in stocks. How do we reset the stats? Picture the game of financial success like a basketball game, because money really is a game. You can foul 6 times before you're out and no longer allowed to play. So the trick is not fouling. Refs are your police. They set the rules. As long as you play by the rules, you have a chance to win the game. If you break the rules, you don't have a chance. You essentially forfeit the game. Now, what are the rules of money? Number 1, make it legitly. Number 2, buy things that go up in value, not down. Things that go up in value are houses, collectible shoes, collectible cars. Things that go down in value are new cars, non-collectible shoes, everyday new cars. Number 3, be of value to someone else. The game is set up to give money to those who create value for other people. I discuss more in my free playbook. Make sure you grab that from my channel link. Now, what are the ways you commit fouls? Number 1, selling illegal drugs. Number 2, stealing. And number 3, breaking the law. In basketball, you foul 6 times, you're out until next week's game. In life, you can foul once and be out the game for years. So don't foul and continue playing the game. I'll teach you how. Start with my free playbook.